Hello guys, it's another moment that I'm enjoying a bike ride after the rain for quite a while. We experienced floods, but at least the rains have given us a break. So currently I'm riding towards River Athi, where I just want to witness the status of the river after the flooding. So guys, let's go and see. Guys, it's too swampy here. Too swampy. Actually, I don't know if I'll make it to my destination today, but hopefully after I'm through this place, this swampy area, I think the other part has no big issues. So guys, I finally made it through the swamp, and hopefully I'll be at the river in the next about 15 minutes. Let's go and see, guys. Just noticed something here. I saw some big prints. In this area you can't fail to have to see this, especially in the rain season. These are not prints for a dog, either an hyena or a big cat. See, so the river is just ahead in around 200 meters. So let's proceed and see. It's so muddy here. I just had to get a U-turn. I see where I can pass through a better side. It's too muddy, just see. Hello guys, so we are finally here. This is River Athi, or do we call it Athi River? It's the status of the river with the floods, but the rain has given us a break of about a week now or so, and the river is currently crossable. The waters are quite low, yeah, and the water is clean. The flood water was muddy, but the water is now very clean. See? Last time I was here, there was no this fallen tree you can see here, but the rain has really caused some menace, destruction in the rivers, this section being not an exemption. So they just literally walk through the water. I don't care my shoes because they had already gotten muddy because of the farms as I rode towards this area. So this is the river section. It's looking kind of wider than it used to be, because the river banks have been eroded because of the huge waters that pass through here. Look at this tree, guys. It was uprooted by the floods. So right now you can see the rocks. Wow, these are mapped because people can cross here. People have not been able to cross through this area, across from one area to another in a period of around a month, or we call 3 weeks. Yeah, but now things are better. There seems to be a deep section around here. Just to say, guys, basically this river marks the boundary between Machakos County and Kajiado. So this side is Machakos, and this other end is Kajiado County.
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Or maybe the world could be ours tonight.
You think it's easy? You think I don't wanna run to you, yeah. But there are mountains, and there are doors that we can walk through. I know you're wondering why, because you're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all. No one can rewrite the stars. How can you say you'll be mine? Everything keeps us apart, and I'm not the one you were meant to find. It's not up to you, it's not up to me, when everyone tells us what we can be, and how can we?
So guys, let's meet again in another adventure. Cheers for now, and thanks for watching.